So, Karakia Tumu Whakawātea is a Māori worldview, forward-thinking manakitanga strategy. And all of us will know, including our whānau audience, and everyone will know that, Karakia Tumu Whakawātea's role in manakitanga is about generosity. It's about generosity, it's about the consistency of finding the wairua and the tikana to draw us all together and to share the well-being stories that every kai kōrero has been talking about for almost a year. Now, I think next month, August, is going around about 1 year since Karakia Tumu Whakawātea was initiated by Whitiawa. And so that's what I think Karakia Tumu Whakawātea is. It's a forward-thinking manakitanga strategy. And if you look up the top there, Karakia Tumu Whakawātea is a life whakapapa philosophy. Now, to give you a very good example of the whakapapa, Whaia Horiana, who's on our audience here, her and I met on Friday in Rotorua. And she talked about her husband who's passed away, and his whakapapa. And immediately we had a connection. And so what each of the presenters of Karakia Tumu Whakawātea has been bringing to us is about the philosophy of customary knowledge. Koro Tom begins it with a karakia. He brings us the Ngāti Maniapoto philosophy, the Kingitanga philosophy, and he quotes passages and narratives from that Tainui scholar, Peter Hirinui Jones. And so there you have it. We have been talking about customary knowledge, and we have been talking about manakitanga, whanaunatanga, kaitiakitanga, and the layering of reo and tikana experience, knowledge, and scholarship. So when you think about all of the presenters, and you think about yourselves as the audience, the valuable audience, you too have a layering of reo and tikana experience, knowledge, and scholarship. So those three parts. What is Karakia Tumu Whakawātea about? Well, it's about experience. It's about the knowledge. And it's about the scholarship. But it's also about sharing and connecting with each other.